Welcome guys. On this tutorial I'll be guiding you on how to work with converted entities. So let's work with the front plane sketch. So I have this simple sketch. Click on extrude, it's blind. So I have this. Now I click on this face and I sketch. Instead of me resketching what I did earlier, what I'll simply do, I'll click on converted entities. So it will convert the first sketch for me to this surface. So we have this. That's how it works. It has converted this sketch for me up to this face. So I can simply extrude again. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.